at Black Forest Nursery, and in between all of this rain that we've been getting, we've actually started to get a few warm days here in New Hampshire. So it's really important that everybody is making sure to keep watering their plants. Even if we have a lot of downpour and rain earlier in the week, once we get to those hotter 70, 80 degree days, our plants are still very much in need of water. As you can see, we have the sprinklers going off right behind us all over the field. These are all of our shrubs that are getting much needed water today. A lot of things that you have to take into account is not just the sunlight and the temperature, but also wind. Wind can be a really big factor in just taking all of the moisture out of your leaves of your plants. So if it's a windy day, if it's sunny and there's no clouds, it's really important to make sure you're watering your plants this time of year. The best thing to do is in the first season of having your plants in the ground, you want to make sure you're watering them very consistently so that they're getting established, healthy root systems. In the following seasons, you really only have to supplement with water, with the exception of a few of our water-loving plants like grasses, nishiki willows, things like that that just tend to be more water needy. But if you've come into the nursery or you've had plants delivered and installed by us, you might have seen these really handy watering guides. We have a version for full sun and for shade. This shows you a nice breakdown of how much water your plants are needing based on the pot size of the plant that you're getting. So for example, if you have a small 1 gallon perennial and it's about 80 degrees or more, you're gonna water probably 2 to 3 times a week if your plant is in the shade versus watering every day, sometimes twice a day if your plant is in full sun. So this is a really great guide that we've made for you guys to follow along and be sure that you're watering your plants well whenever we're getting into these hot summer temperatures. So if you'd like one of these, make sure you stop in at Black Forest Nursery or reach out to us and we can send you a version of this file so you can print it out at home.
Thank you.